Hello everyone, we are going to discuss a revolutionary concept which allowed Japanese company to overcome devastation of World War II and establish them as leading company or organizations in the world. This concept was so effective that it is adopted worldwide, and at present organizations or companies over 70 countries in the world practice it, and this concept is quality circle or QC. After this presentation, you will be able to understand the concept of quality circles, explain the formation, objectives, and advantages of quality circle. You will also be able to solve the problem through quality circle approach. Quality circle is a small group of employees of same work area doing similar kind of work. They meet regularly to identify, analyze, and resolve work related problems. QC was first conceived in Japan in 1962. It builds mutual trust. QC creates better understanding between the management and worker. The key concept or element of quality circle is cooperation and not opposing each other. Members of quality circle team are selected from the employees working in a particular area on similar nature of job. Members of quality circle are selected on voluntary basis, and in no case they are forced or compelled to participate into it. So for effective working of quality circle, the members should be selected voluntarily, not forcefully. After the formation of quality circle team, meeting is carried out, leader is selected by the team, they discuss problem related to product and production, list of solutions are prepared by members, the solutions are discussed in the meeting, best solutions are presented to the management by themselves or through a committee evaluate the solution, and they may allow to implement it. After the implementation, results are analyzed, and if it is effective, the same may be implemented to other work area also. Quality circle approach improves quality, performance, speed, efficiency, and reliability of product and production. Advantages of quality circle: quality, product, price, value, support system becomes excellent from better. It develops team spirit amongst the employees. It also motivates them. A team of employees with full of team spirit and motivation is an asset to the organization and can take up any difficult task. The success of quality circle depends on management. If the management is supportive, quality circle will be effective. Supportive management may arrange trainings at regular interval to the employees. Well-trained employees will be more skillful, and they will improve the productivity of organization. Quality circle develop leadership qualities among the employees. It also reduces wastage in the production. Skilled, motivated, and trained workers will able to handle goods and machineries in effective way. Quality Circle also helps to improve safety practices, which ultimately reduces accidents and loss of time, improved quality, reduced accidents, and improved production process results cost reduction, and ultimately it increases productivity and profit of the organization. Communication is key element in quality circle. Hence it helps to improve communication within the group and outside the group. Features of quality circle. Quality circle pyramid consists of quality circle team, which are employees who volunteered themselves to be the part of quality circle team, coordinators as HODs or senior level personnel, and management, which includes directors, managing directors, CEOs. The ideas or solutions generated by quality circle team is conveyed to the higher management through coordinators. Management evaluate the idea or solution through themselves or by selecting a committee. If the ideas are feasible, the same is conveyed to the team for implementation. The membership of Quality Circle team is purely on voluntary basis. No one should be forced to be the part of the team. Members are from the workers or employees of the organization working in a particular area. It does not include bosses or senior managers. Quality circle is a bottom-up approach. That means ideas are generated and conveyed from bottom to the top. The management support in quality circle is very important element. If the management is not supportive, the quality circle cannot function properly in the organization. Objective of quality circle. It improves quality, productivity, efficiency, quality of work life, customer satisfaction, and reduces cost, wastage, production time. It is also to provide an environment to the employees where they can use their knowledge, wisdom, creativity to solve the organizational problem, to impart a sense of belongingness, to develop leadership quality. Formation and functioning of quality circle. Publishing the idea. The quality circle is introduced to the employees. Its need for employees and organization is explained to them. Constitution of quality circle. Workers of same area form a small group to make quality circle team. The participation is voluntary and members remain part of group till they leave that work area. Initial problem solving and list of solutions. The members of quality circle discusses problem and prepares the list of solutions. Each solution is evaluated and final solution is arrived on the basis of group discussion. Presentation and approval of suggestions from management. The solution accepted in quality control is presented to management. The management evaluates the solution or by forming a committee of senior level employees. If the management finds solution is viable and they may approve the solution. Implementation and analysis of results. Once the solution or suggestion is approved by management, the same is put in practice at workplace and closely monitored. The results are evaluated and if found satisfactory, the same is implemented at other workplace too. Timeline or history of Quality Circle. It is pioneered by Japanese. In Japan, it is also known as Quality Control Circle QCC, Quality Circle QC, or Small Group Activity SGA. In 1962, first QC Circle registered in Japan. 1974, Lockheed Company started Quality Circle movement in United States. 1977, International Association of Quality Circles (IACC) formed in United States. 1980, BHEL, Hyderabad is the first to implement quality circles in India. 1982, Quality Circle Forum of India (QCFI) formed. Happy learning!